Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This quick guide shows how to set up and pair Airpods Boat 141. Start by fully charging the case and earbuds for 1 hour. Open Bluetooth on your phone and keep the earbuds inside the open case. Press and hold the case button for 4 seconds to enter pairing mode. Watch your phone prompt for Boat 141 and tap Connect to pair. The Bluetooth range is about 10 meters and works through light obstacles like a pocket or bag. Learn the basic controls for playback and calls using Boat 141. Double tap either earbud to play or pause audio while listening to music. Tap once to answer an incoming call and double tap to end the call. To reject a call, press and hold for 2 seconds until you hear a tone. These earbuds do not include onboard volume buttons, so adjust volume on your phone or watch. You can press and hold to trigger your phone voice assistant for hands-free control. Keep your Boat 141 working reliably with simple maintenance and charging tips. The full earbud charge takes about 1 hour and gives roughly 3-5 hours of playback per charge. The charging case adds about 10 hours of backup time when fully charged. If you face pairing issues, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for 10 seconds until the LED flashes. Clean ear tips gently with a dry cloth and avoid water exposure to protect the battery and mic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.